Hello! So GoPro has finally fixed the issue with YouTube Livestream on brand account. I updated this GoPro last week. It was 1.7 the update, if I remember correctly, but yeah, now the live stream works on my Android phone. Friend told me that this was already fixed with iPhone last summer, but it took this long to make it work with Android. I contacted GoPro first time maybe year and half ago, so it took really long time to fix this issue. But this was only with brand account, YouTube brand account. So if you have used Google Mine account, there was no issue like this. But it was really frustrating because this was the only reason I upgraded from GoPro 6 to 9. This YouTube live stream, and it didn't even work. So I was really pissed about that. But yeah, now it finally works and I can use it. Nice. See ya.